Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics. Power on the router and modem, check indicator lights, and confirm your ISP is active. Next, plug a laptop into the router via Ethernet so you can change settings directly. This avoids wireless lockouts. Find the router's default admin user and password printed on the label or documentation. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless section. Make sure the Wi-Fi radio is not disabled, so you can proceed to configure the network properly and securely. You now configure the network. Enable the Wi-Fi radio and assign a clear SSID so you can identify the network on devices. For security, choose WPA2 or WPA3 and create a strong passphrase of at least 12 characters. This prevents casual intrusions. Select 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and either set auto channel or pick a less crowded channel to reduce interference. Make sure DHCP is enabled so your devices receive IPs automatically. Then save. You finish by applying changes and, if prompted, restarting the router to activate the new wireless profile. Then reconnect your phone, laptop, and smart devices using the SSID and password you set. Verify connectivity with a quick ping or speed test, and walk the coverage area to confirm range. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle modem and router, then reconnect via Ethernet to confirm admin access. This clears transient faults and helps isolate whether the issue is ISP, router config, or device specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.